Hey friends, welcome back to Reading with Miss Raven. Today we're going to be heading to the beach. So grab your swimsuit, your sunscreen, your hat, and let's go. All right. We aren't really going to the beach, but we're going to use our imagination and pretend that we are. So here I have my beach busy bin full of sand, and we have some shells. And what we're going to do today is we're going to practice sorting. Have you ever heard of the word sorting? What does it mean to sort? Well, I have something to help you. When you sort, you put things in groups based on how they're alike. So, if something's the same color, we can put it in the same group. If something's the same size, maybe it's really big, we can put it in that group too. So sorting is when you put things in categories that are alike. There are several different ways to sort, and I just gave you a couple. So one way to sort is by color. So maybe put all the reds and the yellows and the blues into their own group. You can also sort by size. So maybe big things can go in one group, small things can go in another, and medium things can go in another group. All right, so on our beach adventure today, I have my beach sorting mat right here. And like I said, I have an entire bucket of sand too. So inside of my bucket are some seashells hidden, and I have to dig through and pick them out. I need your help to sort our stuff. How should we sort the seashells first? Remember, there's different ways you can sort. By color, by shape, by size. Let's just start digging. Let's see, I got my shear. Okay, I got my first seashell. Ooh, this is like a little pointy one. It looks like it's like a cream beige color. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one over here and then see what else we get. See what we can sort next. Ooh, it's a teeny blue shell, and blue is my favorite color. Now, these are not the same color, so maybe I'll put them in a different group. So we have our beige one there, and I'll put the blue one on the other side. Okay, let's see what else we can find now. Ooh, I found another beige one, but this one is much bigger. So this one is bigger than this seashell, but they're the same color. So can I sort them together? Yeah, if I'm sorting my color, it doesn't matter what type of seashell or what shape the seashell is, as long as they're the same color. So we'll put those together. All right, let's see what else we can find. Ooh, I found another blue one. Ooh, I wish these were real. Okay, so now I have two blue seashells, and they're both the same size too. They're the same, exactly the same. Ooh, another blue. Blue's my favorite, just like the dress. Okay, so this seashell is like our pointy one that we had earlier. So I'm not gonna put it with it though, because it's not the same color. I'm gonna sort these by color still. So I'm gonna keep my blues on this side and my beige over there. Let's keep going. Okay, where should I sort this one? Yes, I'm gonna sort it with the beige. And then, where should I sort this seashell? Yes, we're gonna sort it with the blue. Here we go, a teeny one. Where should this one go? Yes, we're still gonna sort this one with beige. All right, good job. We sorted all of the beige seashells on this side of our mat and all of our blue seashells on this side of our mat. Good job. We sorted by color. All right, so another way to sort is by size. So inside of our bin, we have some seashells that are super teeny like this one, and some that are a lot bigger like this. Now, there's still different colors, so we could sort them by color like this, but in our bin, we actually have some seashells that are the same color and different sizes. And that's where it gets tricky. So in this case, we would only sort them by size. We wouldn't think about their color, even though that's really easy. We would only think about their size. All right, let's do it. All right, I see this seashell here. Looks pretty big to me, so I'm gonna stick it right here. Okay, let's keep switching. Let's mix it up, mix it up. Okay, I see some little blue ones. That one looks teeny. Yeah, let's compare. Yes, this one is definitely smaller than that one. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, it's a big blue one. Okay, we're gonna put it on the big side. So the big shells, the small shells. Ooh, this is a pretty big one. So pretty. There we go, we put that here. And there we go. So, just like you see, we're not worried about the color. We're only worried about the size. So, these are all small seashells, and these are all big. All right, so there's one more way we can sort our seashells. Seashells. We can sort them by what kind or what type of seashell they are. We could also consider that their shape. So, inside of our bin, we have some that have that pointy little edge, and then some that are just curved. And we're gonna sort them just like that, pointy versus curved. Let's get digging. I hope you guys are having fun digging in these little bins. Okay, so this is the first type of shell, and it is little pointy. So I'm gonna put all of the pointy ones on one side. I see another one. There we go. I'm gonna put them together because they're the same type of shell. Okay, but then we have this one, and that's a different type. So we're not gonna put it over there. We're gonna put it in its own group. Let's see. Oh, there's another one. Oh, yep, this one's the same because it's the same type of shell. And this one goes with the pointy ones. All right, let's see. Let's do one more shell. See if I can find one hiding. Oh, yeah, that one was hiding deep. There we go, and it goes over here. All right, so which group had more? Do we have more pointy shells or curved? Yes, there are definitely more of the pointy shells. Do you know how many? Let's count. We're gonna touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here, can you see how many there is without counting? Yep, there's 2. 1, 2 shells. Which number is more? Yes, 4 is more than 2. So we have more pointy shells, but I'm sure if we kept searching and sorting, we could find a lot more. All right, friends, so we are all done with our lesson today. Today we learned how to sort, and remember, sorting means that you put things in groups that are alike. So we sorted our seashells by colors, by shape, and by size. I hope you had fun learning with me today. Grab this resource for free by visiting my TPT. See ya.